Hey guys, this is Sarvesh Palav and welcome to Code Plus. I am a software developer and have been programming for more than 8 years now. I thought of starting this channel for everyone who wants to explore the programming world. We'll be having videos ranging from basic to advanced programming brought to you by me and the Code Plus team. Our first series is on C++ actually. First video going live in some time. Do subscribe, like, and share. You know the usual stuff to get a good reach for the video and make sure that everyone who wants to learn programming gets to see these videos. So that's about it. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.